KiDi.
I got a girl, she a London thing. Yeah. She wanna roll and smoke one thing. I want to give her a diamond.
Yes, man, that's the man KiDi's brand new music video, and this is another cool part of the show. You won last week, right?
I did.
Yeah.
I stay winning.
Yeah.
Okay, I stay winning.
And I'm sure KiDi's gonna make sure she wins again.
Oh, no.
It's
No, it's not just because I'm a lady. I'm just good at what I do, okay? So, KiDi, right now we're coming to our game segment. We have two. First one is, you're a celebrity. We want to know how well you know your celebrity colleagues. So on our screen, we're going to have a different picture of one of your colleagues, and they're going to, as you can see, their face is blurred out. So, starting with celebrity number one, who is this?
Orekodro. Kofi Kinata.
Kofi Abedimpo. Is he correct? Yeah!
Okay.
Indeed. Okay, all right. You're doing well. Next one. Who is this celebrity artist?
I'm in love with you.
Oh, well done. Okay. Now, I feel like this is too easy. Even last week, it was easy, man. Come on, let's do another one.
Bring it on. Make it more difficult for me.
Another one. Okay, who is this?
Shall I Sakura Gang? Can promise.
What?
Versky, when are you getting some of these shoes?
I was just going to say, how did you know?
That's what gave him the
What
idea.
gave it away?
KiDi, do you own a pair
Every
of these?
picture, something gives them away. Like this one, I saw the shoes and I realized it was him.
KiDi, do you own something like this? The shoes?
Oh, yeah. This one I used to go to space.
Oh my
Nice
gosh.
one.
All right, cool. All right, now this is between Beatz, myself, and Jason.
Yep.
It's charades. You're gonna pick from the bowl. We have to see how good your
I have
acting
to act
skills.
it.
Yes.
Okay.
How good are your acting skills?
Okay.
Now do me proud, okay?
I'm good, let's
do
go.
me proud. Let's
All
go.
right.
First one.
So who am I acting to?
All of us.
Okay,
All
okay.
three of us.
Not just MzDru, KiDi. Not just MzDru.
Okay. Huh?
Baba. Haircut.
Oh,
I said it first.
Wait, no.
I know KiDi will never give it to me. KiDi will
I
never
said
give
it
it to me.
first.
Hold on a second. KiDi, what's this?
That's my scissors.
Oh, I didn't see this. I just thought he was playing with it.
Okay, first one down.
Okay, fine. All right, don't get too
something
excited.
about Legon boys,
don't
you know?
get too excited. Let's go.
Makeup.
No,
I said makeup first.
Listen, it's.
That's what I said.
Who does these?
Oh, Charlie. No.
Who does these?
No, this is not fair.
Who does these?
Okay.
So if I said I'll put on
Beatz,
makeup,
so far
it's
you
wrong.
have no points.
I think I just have to be loud. That's all.
KiDi, take your time.
Hey.
Take your time.
Take
Take your time.
it. Go
Taking
to
a
the
piss.
toilet.
Taking
Taking a
leak.
piss. Urinated.
Huh? Sit on the
Washroom.
toilet.
Washroom.
Yeah.
What did he say?
What did he say?
Washroom.
So I think it's
No,
one each.
it's gonna be
It's one each.
Right
So
now,
the
this
last-
is gonna
right?
declare the winner.
Yeah. I'm not losing this week.
This will.
I'm not. My enemies won't get to me.
Jump in.
Frog,
Kangaroo.
jumping.
Jumping.
I said
Frog,
hop in.
frog.
Kangaroo.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Monkey. Did I say monkey?
What monkey hops like that?
First.
KiDi, what kind of lecturer are you?
I'm done.
What kind of lecturer are you?
So
What
go
kind
with
of lecturer are you?
What monkey jumps like that? Really?
No, the monkeys I know. That's
What kind of
I'm done. I'm not playing
Have you met
anymore.
Adule from Gamash? That's what it is.
Oh man, Charlie, nice one, KiDi. As much as MzDru is upset, what do you want to tell your fans?
I was
your
got cheated for
people,
you.
Your homies.
It's a home thing.
What do you want to tell them, man?
I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who's been supporting KiDi. Charlie, without you guys, there's no me. I could put out music, you guys could decide not to like it and jam to it, and that's it. I put out music after music after music. You guys helped me this year. And German Say Cheese, my blue EP, amazing. We have one more song coming to drop before the year end, so stick and stay with me. Thank you so much for the love. And thank you guys for having me as well. So, love.
Nice one, man. So yeah, she's still upset, but I mean, Veroski.
Don't worry, I'll make it up to Drew. Don't worry.
You know why Veroski won? KiDi just he wants to favor him. So the next time he comes, I'm going to talk to him before he comes. But again, thank you so much for coming through, brother.
Thanks for having
wish you the best. Can't wait for the album to drop, the EP, the new music, and DJ Veroski, what do you want to say before we leave?
Hey.
So you guys forget KiDi. Follow me on social media, on Twitter, on Instagram, and this is MX Beatz, the best show in GH channel.
Indeed.
Yeah, man.
Indeed it is. Like they've all said, make sure you do follow us on all of our social media platforms. My name is MzDru, MzDru_, and of course MX Beatz and MX24GH. Over there, you'll be able to get updated on all of our shows, promos, everything. We've got you covered. Shout out to our stylist, Vinay, and of course Silicon House Productions for having us. Listen, we'll see you same time, same place next week.